Hello everyone, Jennifer Tarle from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. We have an embarrassing mistakes mini series going, and our words today are fickle, changing frequently, especially one's loyalties or affections, and relating to feces or poop. So both of these words end in ~kəl, so let's start there. For the K, tip of the tongue is down, back of the tongue is pulled high up, move to that short relaxed and then touch the tip of the tongue to the spot where the teeth meet the skin on the roof of your mouth for the L. Ooh. Pro tip, hold the tongue there a little bit longer than you think, so it really sounds like the L is there. ~kəl, ~kəl, ~kəl. Now, that is the unstressed syllable. Let's talk about the stressed syllable, syllable number 1. We're going to start both of these with that F sound. Your lips are slightly pulled back, and you are gently biting the inside or the outside of your bottom lip. When I say biting, think about it as more as touching, because you want to make sure that the air continues to move out of your mouth. All right. Let's get the fecal out of the way, because that's usually the mistake that people make. And this is the long E sound. E is high, flat tongue, and tense, smiling lips. E. Fecal. Fecal, fecal, fecal. How is fickle different? Think about relaxing your mouth for that short I sound. Relaxed cheeks, relaxed lips, and your tongue is going to relax a bit. When you relax your tongue, the tongue pops down a little tiny bit. So we have the difference here in the E, I, E, I, E, I. So we have fecal, 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 fickle, fickle, fickle. Fickle, 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 fecal, 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 fickle, fecal, fickle, fecal. And now for a sentence. The fickle man needed to collect a fecal sample. Give it a try. I hope this makes a difference in your speaking. And if you found this helpful, let us know in the comments below. And I'd also love to hear if you have any more embarrassing mistakes. I'd love to make a lesson on that. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.